Here I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress plugin, even if you're not a developer using Claude Code. In this example, we're going to customize the WordPress admin login screen and make it much more exciting by creating our own custom plugin. To do that, anybody can do this. All you need is Claude Code and a WordPress website. Let's go. So here we are on the default WordPress login screen. WordPress powers 42% of the internet, and almost all of the website login screens look the same, which is millions and millions of sites. But what if you wanted to customize this as a non-developer? Let's jump over to Claude Code. So what we're going to do is we are going to build a WordPress plugin, even as a non-developer, that's going to customize that WordPress login screen and make it much more exciting. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm using the Claude desktop app. I've got it open. You can see there's the home, which is the chat, and then there's code. So make sure you're in code. And then what we want to do, this is a new Claude Code account. So there's literally nothing here. I'm showing you how to do it from the beginning. So we do want to select a folder to store this plugin that we're going to create. We're going to create a WordPress plugin as a non-developer to customize the admin screen. So I'm going to select a folder, and I'm actually going to go create one real quick for where my Claude Code instance is going to create files. So here I am on my desktop. I'm just going to go here and type new folder, and I'm just going to name this folder Claude Code, and just leave that on my desktop. We'll go back into Claude and we'll select a folder for where we want to operate. So I'm going to go to my desktop and select the Claude Code folder. So that's selected, and I'm going to click Trust Workspace. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an entire WordPress plugin, likely from just one prompt. And I'm actually using a tool called Whisperflow. So instead of typing, I can actually just talk to Claude Code with my voice through the microphone. So you'll hear me speaking to Claude Code, and I'm going to give it the instructions for the type of plugin I want to create. Hi, Claude. Today we're going to create a WordPress plugin that's going to modify the default WordPress admin screen. What I'd like you to do is replace the image of the default WordPress logo, where the user can upload their own custom image in the settings. We also want to keep that image small. So I want you to enforce a 125 by 125 pixel size, and that'll be a square, but then I want you to circle crop the image so it has that same circle shape like the WordPress logo has, just for symmetry and all of that. And also, instead of having the default WordPress light gray design, I'd like you to make this login screen of the dark mode variety. And then also, I'd like you to have an explosion of confetti that happens when the WP-admin login screen loads, that bursts from the image. So this is an image where somebody might upload a picture of themselves if they're a personal brand, or their company logo or whatever, and just have a much more fun, personalized, dark mode WordPress admin screen. So go ahead and look at the latest version of WordPress and how the WP admin part of the code works, and create me a custom plugin that I can install on any WordPress website as a zip file to have this experience on my WordPress admin screen. So you can see how I was just talking through Whisperflow, and I put my prompt in there, and I'm just going to hit enter right here. So here you can see in 4 minutes and 20 seconds, Claude Code created my dark login confetti plugin. So if I go to my desktop and go into my Claude Code folder, you can see the zip file here, which is the plugin. So now let's go see if it works. We'll head on over to our WordPress site right here. This is just a basic WordPress website that has Lifter LMS on it. And I'm going to go to the dashboard and go to plugins. And I'm going to click add plugin. And then I'm going to upload the plugin that's sitting on my desktop in the Claude Code folder. So let me go to my desktop here, go to my Claude Code folder, and install the zip file. So I'll click open, install now. It installed successfully. Now I'm going to click activate plugin. Awesome. So now over here, you can see dark login confetti. So I'm going to go to the settings and I'm going to select my image. In this case, I'm just going to do my headshot and I'll upload that from my desktop. And use this image. Cool. You can see it circle cropped it for me. And we have the confetti on. We'll see what the normal confetti intensity looks like. And it looks like I can choose a color for the logo to glow with. So I'll just go with the default here. We'll click Save Changes. So now what I'm going to do is log out of my WordPress website and we'll see what happens. So that's the dark confetti admin screen plugin that we just created. I'm going to reload this page by going to my website /wp-admin so we can see it again. So that is how you can build a WordPress plugin, even if you're not a developer, using Claude Code. And in the next video, we'll show you how to build an even more advanced WordPress plugin for Lifter LMS, the leading learning management system for WordPress.